Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, you need to find where your fuse boxes are located, guys. Fuse boxes location diagram. Stay with us, we'll explain about that today. You have some hidden ones. In addition, we'll explain where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now, in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So what we guys have here specifically, we will demonstrate on that Ford Fusion here, but it should work for the whole generation from year 2013 to year 2020. You will, guys, have multiple fuse boxes. Now we will have up to 3, and one of them is actually a double fuse box. We'll talk about that. The first one, guys, okay, is on the inside. Open the driver door and you see the dash here, guys. Okay, on the bottom of the dash you see that panel right here. Here on top you have one clip here, one there, and on the other side of the steering wheel we have 2 more clips. Pull that thing and pull it down. It opens on hinges, and behind it you will see a fuse box. That fuse box will look like this one, guys. Those are the fuses, okay, right there. You have up to 38 different fuses. Some of those are doubles. By the way, those could be super hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them if you need to find them. Another place where you have a fuse box, guys, okay, come under the hood. Now once you open the hood, okay, on the driver's side right here you see that cover that looks like a T. Okay, remove that cover, and underneath that's the main engine fuse box. You can see right here. Now excuse me, there is a trick about that. Underneath that fuse box there is one more, and now you wonder, guys, where? Well, let's explain that now. You see right here, once you remove that cap right here, you have 2 notches, okay, that hold it, and when you flip it on the bottom of that fuse box, guys, you have another one, okay. That's the bottom side of the fuse box. That's the top side, okay, and now you have the bottom side right here, and on the bottom you have other fuse boxes as well. Now if you guys remove, by the way, okay, before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Now the other one that's hidden, okay, it's known as a high current battery junction box. Under this fuse box, on the very bottom underneath it, guys, you have another one, and that one, okay, if you remove it underneath it, okay, you will have, you can see this cables right here. That's a fuse. You can have a fuse right here, and under that cover you have 2 fuses as well. That's a mega fuse, very important fuses, guys. Those are some of the main fuses right here. But for any of you guys looking for that, that's where you find them. If you need help with that, if you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.